Hello, I'm going to give you a tip that could be quite useful to pilots, air traffic controllers, interpreters, translators. This book is literally a gold mine. To give you an example, I was chatting with a French pilot 1 hour ago. It was about a picture that you can see right now. So the device that is just below the fuselage could be called scoop. It's dedicated to air cooling. You can use this air for the air inlet as well, and for various purposes, maybe sensing static air. And I told him, well, that's a scoop. And he told me, what do you call it in French? And I was a bit embarrassed because I said, I think it's une écope or une prise d'air. I wasn't sure. So I started flicking through the pages of Pierre Boi's dictionary, and I could find that it was page 170. We are going to sit together. So just above my finger, you can see that scoop is divided into two parts, one for air purposes, the other one for water, and you can see there's a difference. So I'd rather call it ouïe or prise d'air and écope for water only. So thank you so much, Pierre Boi, because you did a great job. Thank you very much for your help, because not only has Pierre written various... that's why it was awarded by the Académie de l'Air et de l'Espace, because Pierre Boi, with his work, could help many pilots, and you can understand the difference there is between a term and another, and you can make a decision when it comes to speaking or writing. So you can find anything about weather and conditions, about, as you can see here, everything is put in this book. I'd like to thank you so much for your work. I've been using it for years, and you can so it's I think it must be a great pride, and it's well deserved. Thank you. So a tribute for you, Pierre, and thank you for your advice at the French Air Force Academy. Thank you the others as well, you who wrote about aviation. Like Jean Géant, Thierry Armas, and those who helped me, like Michel, Lorraine, Didier. I could name it, so forgive me, because the list could be long, but thank you all for your help. So I strongly recommend this book, because it's as you can see, the wear and tear is just evidence of how many times I've been using the pages for helping me. Have a nice day. See you for the next tip or advice. Leave some comments if needed, and have a nice day. Goodbye.